What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife here. I hope you're all having a wonderful time leading up to Christmas. I myself am having a little bit of a lisp because I have braces on the bottom side of my jaw right now, but I'm right here. And we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing real quick. So let's see what has been sent. Gotta be careful. Decided not to use my professional camera right now, just have my phone right here. Just open this up just real quick. And looky what's inside. Move this to the side real quick. This is a precursor of something that's coming up very soon, hopefully. Hopefully this month still. I doubt it because of the Black Friday sales and the stuff going on with everything else, Christmas and you know, very busy times. But what we have right here is actually Tifa Lockhart's complete outfit. And I have to open that up a lot more, of course. Also see a letter in here. Oh, here we go. This is actually what it looks like. So we have her skirt, braces, gloves, shoes. Shoes are not even on here, but this is the leaflet that comes with it. Apparently this should be the more expensive part, the more expensive version of her outfit. This apparently looks a lot, well, it looks cool though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and open this all up and see if I can actually put this on the doll that I already have from Irontechdoll, because Tifa is not here yet. Still waiting on the shipment regarding sexymelina.com where I ordered her. So I have to wait and see how that goes. So let's see if I can do an unboxing upstairs and try to get the doll outfit on the other doll that's not apparently for her. So this is Irontechdoll Mickey with a Tifa outfit. Of course, we're still waiting on Tifa herself to arrive, hopefully this year, but I'm not counting on it. We ordered Tifa from sexymelina.com. This is a Irontechdoll Mickey from Irontechdoll.com, and yeah, she actually looks pretty cool in this outfit. There are a couple of things that I still need to use, which is actually, this is the band for her ponytail, but that's only for the black wig. This outfit does not come with a wig. This is jewelry that has to go on her right arm, and this probably has to go on her right arm as well, I'm not sure. But everything else seems to be self-explanatory. Yeah, the jewelry needs to be over at this side, around her wrist. Maybe that flap needs to go here, I have no clue. Anyway, she looks really dope, to be quite fair. So we can look on the other side, even though this wig is not, you know, the correct wig. She still looks really dope in this outfit. Yeah, the quality looks pretty good as well. This is a cool little thing. This is her elbow protection, which looks like something from Shinra. I also wanted to touch on real quick on this this piece right here, the elbow protector. They made a grave error. Hear that? They needed to sand the inside as well, if you ask me, because it's gonna fuck up your whole thing regarding clothing and or silicone, because it's so rough. So that's a big no-no in my opinion. And these are not Velcro. These are... Is this Velcro? Ah, this is Velcro. Okay, that's a lot better then. At least you can put that on. But I'm not a big fan of how rough this is. So here's the Velcro. That's good. I just slid it on. I didn't know. I thought both these points were glued in. But... not good. You can see how rough it is. But yeah, that's like I said, it's pretty cool actually. It looks really dope. It's leather, maybe fake leather, but it's cool stuff for sure. Just pouches. You can lift that up. There's a zipper underneath, which makes it a little bit more easy to access and get her clothed. But yeah, again, really cool stuff. So yeah, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. and let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you guys any sooner, and yeah, hope to see you guys on my channel once more. Now I'm gonna make some pictures for the forums, because people on the forums would love to see how this looks on a different type of doll regarding the Final Fantasy VII Tifa outfit. See you guys in the next one.